Taking a look at Amazon stock here, and we do have earnings this week. Some of the latest price targets here are going to be on unusual whales. Stifel here with a $248 price target. Telsey here with a $235 price target, both being a buy recommendation. And then you do have Goldman Sachs, 220, Scotia Bank, 250. All of these are going to be a buy recommendation. Feel free to pause the video if you want to view the rest of these price targets. Take it with a grain of salt as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at Amazon here today, currently at $188. I am optimistic on a move up towards the top side for Amazon stock between 181 and 204. I don't mind adding a small position at a time. If Amazon breaks down below 180 and ranges down towards 162, that's where I would look to add a bigger position, okay? Anywhere between 180 and 162, that's where I would look to add a bigger position into my long-term portfolio for Amazon stock. I do believe we are going to get this test going into earnings back up towards 204. And again, that's going to be closer towards an 8.5% towards the top side. I do believe that we're going to get a lot of upside movements here going into the next couple of weeks. And so where we are at currently is a dip opportunity. I think keep an eye out for 204 being broken above. And if that confirms as a support level as well, we could be retesting 216 as resistance as well. Similar to our previous video here, that is going to be my prediction here going into May and June of 2025. Look for 216 to be retested and then a stair step back up to the all-time high during this year. Again, 242 there. That's going to be close to a 30% move towards the top side, which is why personally I am viewing the current dip here a dip opportunity. If we, again, like if we do break down below 181, I do think this is going to be a bigger dip opportunity. And again, that's where I'll look to add more into Amazon stock there if I have cash on the side, okay? If I look at this on the daily chart, you do have the 200-day moving average here slightly above where we're at currently. 200-day moving average is going to be right at 199, and that is going to be a short-term resistance to watch out for going into the next couple of days. This week here, in my opinion, we should be tested towards 200 or 199. That 200-day moving average, in my opinion, is going to break above. I would keep an eye out for 204 all the way to about 216 here going into the next couple of weeks. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments and what your average is for Amazon stock, what you plan on doing during this dip here at 188. Do you think this is the dip, or do you think Amazon here is going to fall back down to the lows here of 161? I personally don't think 161 is going to be retested again anytime soon. I'm pretty optimistic for a recovery here for Amazon stock. That's just my personal opinion. And again, let us know down below in the comments what your thoughts are, especially with earnings during this week. If you don't have a community yet for Amazon stock, we have over 32,000 people. It's free to join. First link down below in the description for our Discord. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, then it's totally optional, but join our Patreon. It is going to have a 90% off permanent discount promotion right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. And again, it's going to include live entries and exits on stocks and options, including Amazon stock.